Have you ever seen a card that seems to jump off the page, almost as if it were alive? That's the power of a vivid card. But what exactly is a vivid card, and how can you create one? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine a world where your cards aren't just pieces of paper, but portals to another dimension. A world where each card tells a story, evokes an emotion, or even inspires action. That's the realm of vivid cards. A vivid card is more than just a piece of paper with ink on it. It's a carefully crafted piece of art that engages your senses, sparks your imagination, and leaves a lasting impression. It's about more than just the visual elements, it's about the entire experience. Key elements of a vivid card. Visual appeal. The first thing people notice about a card is its appearance. Use high-quality images, bold colors, and unique layouts to create a visually stunning design. Tactile experience. Consider the feel of the card. Use textured paper, embossing, or other techniques to create a tactile experience that complements the visual elements. Emotional impact. A truly vivid card evokes emotions. Choose images and colors that convey the desired mood, whether it's excitement, nostalgia, or peace. Storytelling. A vivid card can tell a story. Use images, text, or symbols to create a narrative that captivates the recipient. Call to action. A vivid card can also be a marketing tool. Include a clear call to action, such as visiting a website or making a purchase. Examples of vivid cards. Pop-up cards. These cards literally pop out at you, creating a surprise and delight factor. Interactive cards. These cards invite the recipient to participate, such as by turning a wheel or sliding a tab. Personalized cards. Cards that are customized with the recipient's name or a personal message create a more intimate and meaningful experience. Augmented reality cards. These cards use technology to overlay digital elements onto the physical card, creating a unique and immersive experience. Creating your own vivid card. Start with an idea. What do you want your card to convey? Is it a message of love, gratitude, or celebration? Choose your materials. Consider the paper, ink, and other materials you will use. Design your layout. Sketch out your design or use a design tool to create a digital mockup. Add visual elements. Incorporate images, text, and other elements that complement your design. Consider the tactile experience. Think about how the card will feel in the recipient's hands. Test your card. Show your card to others and get their feedback. A vivid card is a powerful tool for expressing yourself and connecting with others. By carefully considering the visual appeal, tactile experience, emotional impact, storytelling, and call to action, you can create cards that are truly memorable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, let's continue to explore the world of vivid cards and the endless possibilities they offer.